Maintaining blood sodium concentration within the normal range is beneficial to the body. Sodium accounts for approximately 0.15% of human body weight. This percentage is critical for a variety of body functions, including nerve impulse transmission, muscle contraction, and maintaining fluid balance. Sodium concentrations in the human body, particularly in plasma, are typically about 135 to 146 milliequivalents per liter. The concentration of sodium in plasma is critical for a variety of important physiological functions, including, sodium helps regulate the amount of water in and around cells. It plays a key role in maintaining an osmotic balance between the extracellular and intracellular environments, ensuring that cells neither overswell nor overcontract. Sodium ions are important in the generation and transmission of electrical signals in the nervous system. They are involved in action potentials, which are electrical impulses that carry messages along neurons. Sodium is necessary for muscle contraction. It helps generate electrical impulses that trigger muscle fibers to contract, allowing movement in various body functions. Sodium content affects blood volume and blood pressure. Proper sodium content helps maintain blood pressure within the normal range and prevent conditions such as high blood pressure or low blood pressure. Sodium is one of the main electrolytes in the body, and its concentration affects the balance of other electrolytes such as potassium, calcium, and chlorine. This balance is critical for many cellular processes. Abnormal levels of sodium in the plasma, either too high, hypernatremia, or too low, hyponatremia, can lead to serious health problems, including confusion, seizures, muscle weakness, and even life-threatening conditions. Hypernatremia is characterized by abnormally high concentrations of sodium in the blood and can have a variety of serious effects on the body. The main problem with hypernatremia is the impact on fluid balance between the intracellular and extracellular spaces. High sodium levels in the blood cause water to move out of cells and into the extracellular space to balance osmotic pressure. This causes cells to dehydrate and shrink, impairing cell function. Brain cells are particularly sensitive to changes in sodium levels. Dehydration of brain cells can lead to confusion, irritability, restlessness, and lethargy. Sodium imbalance can affect nerve and muscle function, causing muscle twitching, weakness, and even muscle stiffness. Severe hypernatremia may lead to more extreme neurological symptoms such as seizures and, in extreme cases, coma. Long-term hypernatremia puts stress on the kidneys, which need to excrete excess sodium and conserve water. This may cause kidney damage or worsen existing kidney disease. High sodium content can increase blood pressure, which puts additional stress on the cardiovascular system and can lead to high blood pressure and related complications. Symptoms such as nausea and vomiting may also occur. The body develops a strong sense of thirst and attempts to dilute the high concentration of sodium by drinking more water. Hyponatremia is characterized by abnormally low levels of sodium in the blood and, due to effects on cell function and fluid balance, may result in low sodium levels in the blood cause water to enter cells to balance osmotic pressure, causing cell swelling and increased pressure within the skull, which can lead to headaches. Swelling of brain cells can lead to confusion, decreased consciousness, and drowsiness. Severe hyponatremia may cause seizures due to significant swelling and destruction of brain cell function. Hyponatremia can cause loss of appetite and affect muscle function, causing general muscle weakness and a general feeling of fatigue and lack of energy. In dilutional hyponatremia, there is too much water relative to sodium, and symptoms of fluid overload, such as swelling and weight gain, may occur. Treatment of hypernatremia usually uses intravenous fluids and addresses the underlying cause of the sodium imbalance. Avoid adjusting sodium levels quickly to prevent the risk of cerebral edema, a condition in which brain cells swell when exposed to water. Treatment of hyponatremia depends on its severity and underlying cause. It may include, limit water intake to prevent further sodium dilution. Inject normal saline to gradually increase sodium concentration. Diuretics or other medications can control the underlying condition and help restore sodium balance. Treat underlying conditions to address issues such as heart failure, kidney disease, or hormonal imbalances that may cause hyponatremia.